What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this gorgeous looking GLC 350e in SUV. Of course, it's a polar white color, looks damn good. The brighter the color, the bigger the car looks. And of course, with a white car like this, you clearly can see all the design elements. You see how these lines are here, including at the side of the car. Can you see that? Looks damn good, man. I like it. So let's start off with the front of the car, then we can move on to the inside. So first thing is first, let us take a look at the lights. You get these dark finish headlights on the inside. You get your DRLs that are going to light up right here and here, and then Mercedes-Benz wording right here together with the digital light. They are using the digital light is what they call it. Now there are some blue linings that you can see on the inside part right there. When the light is on, you guys can actually admire that. Now for the front hood, as you can see, there are lines that are coming down like this over here and also over there, so it makes it look aggressive as it can be. Now this is the AMG line, so yes, you do get a very aggressive look for the bumper as well. For the bottom here, you do get this gloss black finishing for the side. You do get this matte texture like finishing on the inside part right here with some opening right there for air to flow through. You get your sensors located here and there. Now these parts are in white. That's what's amazing, because they get to highlight some of these black finishes here and there. So you see what I mean? It's very aggressive and looking really good. The chrome finishing at the center looks fantastic. Number plate goes right there. You get your Mercedes-Benz started grille that is happening all over the front right here. Looks good. And these are no longer the the physical logo, right? It's a glass right here because your sensor is located right at the back over there. So it looks good. 360 camera at the front right here. Amazing. Very nice looking car. The brighter the color, the bigger the car looks. So for the wheels, these are using 20-inch wheels, multi-spoke wheels, two-tone. So you got the black finishing on the inside, got the silver on the outside. You get your AMG wording right here at the side. They're using Continental tires, and also at the same time, tire size is 255/45 R20. Beautiful looking wheel. You get your drill disc brakes on the inside, together with some silver Mercedes-Benz calipers, which you're able to tell, with the Mercedes-Benz wording right there as well. Amazing. So for the side of the car, you do have your amazing looking side steps, as you can see. Looks good. You get your side mirror that follows the body color of the car with some matte texture like finish right underneath. Your 360 camera is over here. You get the chrome lining on the whole side of the profile of the SUV, and you get this railing in chrome as well, so quite nice. Door handles, you got the white together with the chrome. Looks good. I like how they maintain that for all the Mercedes-Benz cars. So for the inner part of the door, you get this leather finish of a top right here. You get a leather here as well, including at the down here, hard plastic. You get your handles to hold to pull to close the door, ambient lighting right here, window adjustments, Burmester sound system, seat adjustments over here, and handle to open up the door. You get your memory seats, you got 3 together with the heated seat. Looks good. So for the side right here, you get the Mercedes-Benz side plate, AMG wording on the carpet, and the seats are in this bucket-like finish of a seat with all these lines that are designed in such a way to make it look as sporty as you can get. Now let's jump right in and take a look at the dashboard. You got this metal weave finish that's happening all over the place. Looks really good. We just close that. So for the dashboard, as you can see, you get the metal weave finish right here. You get your amazing screen that's located right here as well. Beautiful compartment storage with 2 cup holders. You got your USB Type-C connectivities, wireless charging down here, together with a compartment that you can just maybe keep some other stuff over here. And you do get another USB Type-C connectivity with some more compartment storage right underneath and even right here as well. Looks good. The screen is facing the driver's side, so looks amazing. And this is me sitting right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black. The top roof right here is in this fabric finish. Quite nice. You get your mirror with this right here. Cool. To control the glass roof right on top, you can actually close it, the shade, or even just open up the whole glass if you wish to. SOS call button right here. Looking good. Air vents are designed in a nice way. Love the leather dashboard at the top. And of course the ambient lighting that's located on the inside part of the light, so that's damn cool. So let's for that legroom, amazing. Let's get right down and open up the rear doors. Before we hop right into the rear, take a look at the wheels. Continental tires is what they're using. Tire size for the rear is 285/40 R20. So these are 285/40 R20, and solid disc brakes for the rear, continental tires, multi-spoke wheels with the AMG wording right there on the wheel also as well. Mercedes-Benz caps in the center in black and silver. So for the side of the door, you notice ambient lighting located over here, handle to open up the doors, handle to pull to close the door, window adjustments, compartment storage down here, Burmester sound system right there. This one right here is like a shade for you to cover in case if you wish to not let the sun come in. But of course, I forgot to show you guys, glove compartment storage over here as well. Looks good. Let's jump right in. Take a look at the legroom. It's fantastic. Legroom is good. Amazing headrest. Looks very futuristic, the design. Love the glass roof that's happening right on top. You got your air vents right here. Compartment storage, very small one to keep some stuff. And yep, this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seat belts, black. And what's happening right here is you get cup holders. So damn cool. I like that. Let's close that back. And let's jump right into the center. Headroom is fantastic in this car. And it's very bright, of course. Nice how they have so much of light coming in. Love the design and how the screen is angled towards the driver. So let's open this up. Let's get right down. Take a look at the rear part of the car. Now, for the back part, you get the GLC 350E wording right here. And this is a plug-in hybrid, so you do get one side on the petrol side, the other side on the electric side. So this whole piece in this gloss black finish right here, Mercedes-Benz badging. It looks like this. Get a Formatic wording right here as well. Looking good. You got this bright chrome finish of a rear diffuser. Love the exhaust tailpipes that are happening right there as well. Amazing indeed. Let's open this up and take a look. You get your charger right here, and of course you get a very clean setup of a rear. You get your tow hook, you get your warning triangle, nice carpet for you to put on top, net right here to keep some stuff. This is for you to fold down the seats if you wish to. Amazing storage space that you guys are getting. This whole railing can come off. You can take it off if you don't want to have it there. You can store more stuff that are much more bigger so that this thing will not be in the way. So let's open up the driver door. Check out what we see right here. Now you do get your doors right here. Unlock and lock is located right here. Open up the doors. Seat adjustments on this side. You do get your memory seats. You got 3 heated seat, Burmester sound system. You get your window adjustments here, side mirror adjustments over here, handle to hold, to pull to close the door, compartment storage down here together with the boot opening. Mercedes-Benz wording right there, AMG wording right there. Sport pedals, the brake and accelerator. Lumbar support over here, similar to the other passenger seat. And you get a beautiful sporty-like design finish of a interior for the driver's seat as well. So once again, steering wheel looks fantastic. Love the finishing part of the steering. Love the space that you guys are getting. Can you see that? With my fingers at the back right there, damn cool. Everything right here, this is to control that screen, this is to control this screen. You got your cruise control settings right here, you got your volume adjustments over here. Love this piece right here. Flat bottom steering, amazing. Positive, negative, your wiper together with your signal and your light flashing. Gear, drive and reverse is on top. You get your other light settings over on this side, looking good together with the handbrake on this side. Screen right here for you to see how speed you're going at. This one right here is mainly for you to use for your very own other settings of the car, the major main settings such as your other vehicle settings and whatnot on this side. So it is very cool indeed. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Seat belts are in black. Legroom is good. Car looks very nice, man. Very sporty. Very nice. So frameless mirrors right here as well. Now let's open up the turn on the lights. Check out the front, how it looks like. As I mentioned, you do get your amazing DRLs that are right here, here, and also this blue finish that's happening right there. So it looks damn sporty, guys. Looks really good. Let's take a nice cover photo for the front. Looking damn cool. Very nice. And let's move to the rear and check the rear out. How does this look like? Let's see. Okay, close this down. And what do we see right here? You get this black finishing, dark finishing of a housing. Love the DRLs that are turned on right there. GLC 350E wording right there. Formatic wording right there as well. Looking real good. And also you get your cut right here for the AMG rear bumpers. How about the hazard lights? Let's turn on the hazard lights and show you guys. Turn indicator is located right here. The mirror, look good, looking good. Even right here so as well. So the two DRLs that are in white, they still remain, but this whole piece becomes yellow. Looks good. At the same time, as I mentioned, I love that blue finish that's happening on the inside. Now what about the rear? For the rear part, you do have the bottom line right here. Turns into this yellow piece. Looks very clean and nice. Beautiful. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to their showroom all the way here in Mutiara Damansara. As you can see, they have tons of cars located all the way at the front, all the way on the outside, including all the way on the inside. So this place is absolutely huge, and I love how the showroom setup is amazing. Beautiful place to be at. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.